My name is Brandy Lawrence, and I'm a graduate student of the Digital Marketing Communications program. I chose WVU Digital because my undergraduate is in business, and I was really looking for a way to use my business background, but also, do something that would allow me to be creative. And digital marketing was just perfect for me, because I'm a tech savvy, I'm a techie, and I really enjoyed, social media. So I would really like to find a way to build relationships, with consumers. I really see how to integrate my marketing into my business knowledge. Any tips that can help me, get me started. It will help me, really, speak and build relationships with the students that are already on campus, the ones that are coming to campus, and the parents as well. It will be great, and I think it'll be great for the university overall. I am looking to change my careers. I've worked in retail most of my career, so I'm really looking for something different and looking for, a career. I've had jobs, I feel like, all my life, so I really feel that digital marketing can be something that I can do, for the rest of my life. After completing the program, I would love to, work for a really major company. I feel like I could really speak to audiences and, consumers in that aspect. I would say to somebody who is considering it to really just, honestly, like you said, take the leap. It's really worth it, and, it's challenging right now. I'm just starting out, but it's a good challenge. Like, I feel that it's warping me and preparing me for something huge. I was considering going into the IMC program. I thought about creative strategy and things like that, but digital marketing really got me because I feel that I am really tech savvy, and also I love the certificates are, integrated into the courses, so I can earn Google Analytics for beginners and advanced Google Analytics while I'm in my introductory courses. So yeah, I just felt that it would be very lucrative and it would make me, more marketable as a marketer.